Good morning, children. So, in the previous sessions, we have discussed about the force and friction. Coming to the present topic, so we will be discussing about the synthetic fibers and plastics. Synthetic fibers and plastics. So first we will discuss about the synthetic fibers as one part and plastics as the other part. Coming to this, what is the synthetic fiber? So first of all, coming to know about this, what is fiber at all? What is fiber? So if you observe any material, the material is made up of fine particles. Like that, even your cloth made up of fine thread-like materials. So these thread-like materials are called as fibers. So these fibers are generally classified into two types. They are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers, by name you can understand that they are obtained from the nature. So what are the natural fibers that you are obtaining? So the natural fibers that you are obtaining from the nature are cotton, silk, wool are the major natural fibers. Coming to the synthetic fibers, they are synthesized means prepared or cooked or prepared. Cooked or prepared. So the materials, they are not naturally obtained, which are prepared by us or processed by us. We call them as synthetic fibers. And these synthetic fibers are mainly nylon, rayon, polyester, polythene. All these comes under the synthetic fibers. So why to go for the synthetic fiber? Why can't we adjust with the natural fibers? There are certain important differences between the synthetic fibers and natural fibers. What are the differences here? If you are coming to look at the differences between the natural fiber and synthetic fiber, natural fibers are limited in number and they don't last for a long time. They are having their restrictions. Limitations are there. Whereas synthetic fibers are able to overcome these limitations. They are cheaper compared with the natural fibers. They are available, since they are available, readily available. They are last longer. They don't get spoiled faster. And they are at affordable price. And that is how we will go for the synthetic fibers nowadays. So what are these? Means, so here we have the differences. The synthetic fibers, mainly we will study about the synthetic fibers, mainly about nylon, rayon, acrylic. In this topic, these three major synthetic fibers we will study in our session. So nylon is a synthetic fiber, and this nylon was initially started in 1939. And this was processed first in industries. These are, whatever the synthetic fibers are there, they are merging the smaller units. So most of the synthetic fibers are made by the process of combining the monomer units. Combining monomer units, we will get a polymer. So these are all the synthetic fibers are polymers. We call them as polymers. So poly means many, mers means units. Many units of monomers are combined to obtain a particular synthetic fiber. And if we'll go through about these in our next session. Thank you.